Hello, welcome to 3D Passionate. In this video, I'm gonna show you Cinema 4D 10 tips, especially for 3D modeling. First tip, simple scripting. Okay, I have Cinema 4D 19 here. Also, this simple script, delete and optimize. Let me show you. Just select randomly here and press delete and go to point mode. See, the points are still there. Okay, what the script does is, let's click the script and it deletes and go to point mode. See, the points are gone. It's simple script. Okay, let me show you how it's wrote. Let's hide this and create simple cube and make it editable by press C, and let's select one poly here and go to script and script log. Let's clear out. Okay, by the way, Cinema 4D by default it's record everything what we did in this screen. Okay, let's press delete. Okay, Control All and press optimize. See, it's record what we did. Okay, let's copy all of this and go to script manager, file, new. Just clear out all of this and Control V and paste it. See, all are here. Okay, let's create simple cube again here and make it editable by press C, and let's select some polys and let's take action. Press execute over here. Press. See, the polys are gone. Also, the points are all deleted. So cool, isn't it? Also, we can drag this script over here and we can create other object here. Let's delete this and optimize, and let's see, and we can create loop. Okay, and loop selection, yeah, and execute or press this script what's stuck on the palette and go to point mode. See, the points are gone. This is simple scripting. You can write whatever you want to do. Okay, let's go to the next tips. Okay, let me show you what is axis toggle mean. Okay, for example, if you select this point and then you want to select the next one, you will be blocked by this y-axis. See, you make some changes. So Alt plus D, we can hide the axis, and freely we can select pointers, and Alt plus D, we can get back them, and freely we can access a position or rotation and other. Okay, by default in view setting, and go to view and axis and select it. Okay, mode, view and axis scale, and we can decrease this axis scale, but it's not suitable to adjust by this tiny axis, so it's suitable go to 100. That's it, it's suitable mode. Okay, that is accessible by Alt plus D. Now I will show you the point or the period on your keyboard how to smooth and sharpen our mesh edge. For example, let's create a plane over here. Let's make editable and subdivide it and point mode and select end pointers and press period or dots on your keyboard and hold it and left click and drag. See, we can smooth and sharpen our mesh. Okay, also we can create simple cube over here and make it editable and also subdivide it and edge mode, select cube and select some edge what you want sharpen up, hold point and drag it, see, and also make it editable this subdivision and delete this width tag. Okay, see, okay, and it takes sometimes some minutes to perform or to this such kind of model. Okay, that's it. If we select this path like I did, see, one by one is time taking and boring. So just select it and Control Shift, hold it and click this and also click here. See, by 2 click it save our time and it will be not boring. Also, if you select this and Control Shift select this and it's make different paths. So we have to lead the paths of selection. Select and lead the path and Control Shift click and Control Shift click. It should follow the straight and Control Shift select. See, we have to lead the selection. That's it. Also, it works for a point. Select the first point and Control Shift select that inch and Control Shift select it. See, It's extend selection, and it's easy and not boring and time taking. Also, it's work for polys. Select the first poly and Control Shift select. See, it work. That's it. Okay, sometimes you will have such kind of shape and you want to use loop or basket and you will get such kind of problem like this. So what you have to do is select loop or basket and change offset mode, edge distance to proportional, and you will get a better result. And select OK, and you can increase pass numbers. That's it. Point to circle script is best script in Cinema 4D. Let me show you what it does. Okay, for example, if we want to create sample over here and select some polys, inner extrusion, and delete polys and loop selection and apply points to circle script. See, it's a perfect circle. Let's adjust and create something meaningful. Bubble it lets us okay, see, we have perfect circle. Also, polycircle is a great plugin. It looks like a point to circle script, and let me show you what it looks like. And select some polys and polycircle, and let's toggle on this, and let's adjust radius over here. That's enough. Okay, and select this and change its mode axis to normal and extrude and label it. Okay, see, we can do such kind of modeling shapes and we can adjust it. And select loop and bubble, or slide this up a little bit. Let's also select this, slide it again, and let's see what we'll get. And let's adjust it. Look like boring, and let's add this, and okay, and let's resolve this. Okay, see, we can do such kind of thing with this plugin. I know I have to adjust a lot of things, but just to show you something about this plugin. Okay, HB Modeling Bundle. HB Modeling Bundle is a script pack for modeling. Let me show you some scripts does. For example, I have here HB Max Quad. We select already a loop, and let's apply this HB Max Quads. See, it closes the hole That's the script purpose. And the next one is HB selection to circle. Let's make change over here and loop selection, and apply this script HB selection to circle. See, it make a perfect circle, but it's not it's circle, but the polys are not the equal spacing, doesn't have equal spacing. But I told you before, points to circle script is a good script for such kind of purpose. Okay, let's go to next one, and the next one is HB lineup. Okay, let's make change, and okay, as you see, the lines are not aligned, so click HB lineup. Voila, see, the lines are lined up. Okay, also you can try all of or some of the scripts, and you can watch some tutorial on YouTube. The developer of these scripts have a tutorial on YouTube. Sometimes we have such kind of shape like semicube, and we want to make symmetry of it, and we will get such kind of a problem. What we have to do is select your cube object and go to mesh and axis center, and we have the problem on the x-axis, so we can play with x-axis and lower it down x-axis and let's execute and reset it. Still we don't have a change, so what we have to do is ungroup this cube and delete those and make again other symmetry and subdivide that object. See, we resolve our problem. Okay, finally I have something on shrink wrap, and let me show you. I have this here, also a sphere over here, and let me show you something. I select some polys over here, and let's apply shrink wrap on this disk, or you can get it in the deformer and shrink wrap. And what you have to do next is drag this sphere on the target object. Okay, see what we have here, and let's hide this sphere. Voila, see, we have these cool effects, smooth cool effects. And also we can right click, select children, and right click, connect objects plus delete. Okay, and select these loops and bubble them. Okay, and let's subdivide it. See, we have cool effects, and we can add a cool texture on it, material on it, and we have such kind of we can have such kind of shape with help of shrink wrap. Okay, that's it for today. I will be back soon with other interesting and important tutorial. By the way, please, I will be benefit if you like and subscribe. Also, if you wanna say anything, you can comment below. Happily, I will reply to you. Ciao, see ya.